Welcome to the most unconventional coffee shop in town, where the extraordinary meets the espresso ordinary. First up, the Hulka. He went from smashing villains to smashing coffee beans, all while keeping that iconic shade of green. Captain America, the embodiment of patriotism, now brews justice and coffee, serving up a supersized dose of Americano spirit. Spider-Man traded his web-swinging for bean grinding, ensuring your cup of joe comes with an extra dose of friendly neighborhood charm. Iron Man, the genius inventor, has cooked up something new, an armor that battles sleepy mornings and fuels productivity, one cup at a time. And then there's Black Panther, trailing through the jungle of brewing perfection, making every cup feel like a royal indulgence. In this caffeinated saga, the world's mightiest have embraced a new mission to conquer sleepy mornings with a sidekick of humor. From heroes to espresso sipping zeros. Like what you've seen? Don't be a decaf dullard. Subscribe for more super sips and hilarious brews.